Workers' compensation benefits are intended to provide wage replacement and necessary medical care to an injured or ill claimant whose condition is the result of employment. Each of the 50 states administers a separate workers' comp system. The process required to file a workers' comp claim differs slightly between states for that reason. However, the basic steps necessary to win the workers' comp claim is substantially similar in each state. Before preparing the workers' comp case, you'll need the notice of claim, notice of appeal, and a copy of your employer report, in which the injured worker makes an immediate report to his or her supervisor after the injury or incident, usually presented as soon as possible or within 30 days of the accident or onset of illness. Take the following steps to file a workers' compensation claim. Step 1. Search for the state department that oversees workers' comp claims in your state. The name of the Workers' Compensation Department is often called the Department or Bureau of Workers' Compensation. For example, Ohio, Pennsylvania, and Tennessee have a Bureau of Workers' Compensation. Search for Bureau of Workers' Compensation in a search engine toolbar to identify a complete list of state departments' workers' comp offices. Each state administers its own workers' comp programs. Locating your state's workers' comp department and reading the workers' comp rules for your state may make the difference between winning or losing your claim for workers' comp benefits. Step 2. File the official workers' comp claim form. Your employer must provide you with the claim forms needed within 24 hours of providing notice of the accident, illness, or disability your doctor confirms is due to work-related events or conditions. If your employer doesn't have the workers' comp claim forms you need, request them from your state's Bureau of Workers' Compensation. Provide specific information on the form about your illness or disability. Before filing the original workers' comp claim form, copy and retain your work. Step 3. Document the illness or injury that is work-related. Ask for statements from individuals who witnessed the incident or accident who can provide testimony about your illness or medical condition. Maintain a handwritten journal to include dates, symptoms, affected body parts or organ systems, level of pain, and treatment plans offered by your medical team. Step 4. Visit a doctor or hospital and seek necessary medical treatment as soon as possible after a work-related accident or injury. If your employer requires you to see a doctor within the state workers' comp system, you will probably need to do so. Depending on your state's workers' comp laws, you may have the right to a second opinion or independent medical evaluation. Compliance with the medical team's treatment recommendations is very important. Your failure to comply with doctor's orders may result in a denial of the workers' comp claim or loss of current workers' comp benefits.